The cucumber is having a birthday and baking a cake. It is morning and the sun is shining in through the window. The cucumber is still in bed, sleeping soundly. Suddenly, the tomato is there, right next to the bed, with a big smile. In his hands, the tomato is holding a wrapped present. "Happy birthday, cucumber," says the tomato happily. The cucumber wakes up and looks curiously. "Is that for me?" asks the cucumber. "Sure is," says the tomato. "I really wonder what it could be," says the cucumber while shaking the package. The cucumber grabs the package and opens it quickly. The paper flies around in the air. Woohoo! Inside is a large, colorful mixing bowl. Wow! On the bowl it says, "Bake with joy." The cucumber laughs. "How great! Then we can bake a birthday cake." Soon they are in the kitchen. The mixing bowl is on the table. The cucumber pours flour into the bowl. It puffs up a bit. Then the cucumber mixes round, round, round to get a nice batter. Then the tomato pours in sugar, lots of sugar. It flows down like a little white waterfall. Then the whisk comes out. Whisk, whisk, whisk. Woohoo! Fun to bake! After a while, the cake is ready. The cucumber takes strawberries from the bowl and decorates the cake. Wow, what a nice cake it turned out to be. It looks really tasty. Suddenly, there is a knock on the door. When the door opens, all the friends are there. Broccoli, bell pepper, the carrot, and the little strawberry are smiling widely. "Happy birthday, cucumber!" they shout happily. Everyone goes inside together and gathers in the living room. Balloons and colorful ribbons are hanging all around. The friends start singing, "Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you." Then they are in the kitchen looking at the nice cake. Now it is time for the cucumber to blow out the candle. He takes a deep breath and blows. Then the tomato cuts the cake into pieces so that everyone gets some. Soon, the cucumber and the tomato are sitting at the table, each with a plate. They take a bite each and smile. The cake tastes delicious. Now everyone is full. After the coffee break, the tomato says that they are going out into the garden to play. First, they play hide and seek. Some hide behind trees and bushes, while others search and giggle. Then it's jump rope. The rope swings around while they jump and laugh. First, they jump alone, then together. After that, they play soccer on the lawn. The ball rolls away and everyone runs after it. Finally, there is a fish pond. With sticks, they fish up small bags of candy. Wonder what candy the cucumber got. It was surely something tasty. After lots of fun, the day is over, and the friends wave as they slowly start walking home. "What a day it has been!" "Yes," says the cucumber, "the best birthday ever."